Hello guys, welcome to Tech Guys YouTube channel where we post videos on technology, web development, programming and host of other things. In this video I'm going to show you a power bank I use to charge my laptop. If you are ready, let's start. Welcome back. Please, before I start, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, share and like my video to encourage me. Now in this video I'm going to show you the name of the power bank. The power bank is Yobau. Let me see. The power bank is Yobau power bank. As you can see, look at the features of the power bank. It has a max input of 45 watts and a max output of 45 watts. So I'm using to charge my laptop lenovo E460. You may not see it. And look at the power bank in action. So look at the cord, which I use in charging my Lenovo laptop. You can use that and charge other laptops, provided it's within provided the laptop is within the range of the power bank. The max output power bank, the max output of this power bank is 45 watts. So I think that's what I need to show you. If you have any question, comment below so that I can reply you without wasting time. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like my video. This will help me to produce more content like this. Thanks and have a nice day. Bye.